Hello guys, welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream, I will show you a new Node.js framework which is called as Restify. It's a very minimalistic framework for building web applications and can be a great alternative to frameworks such as Express.js, Nest.js. So this is their official website, restify.com, the name of the framework. If you just write Restify on Google, the very first website which comes, this is actually their web service framework. You can build very good applications using this framework. So in this video, I will show you a very basic tutorial on how to get started with this framework, on how to upload files using a simple HTML form. So as you can see, our application has been started and it has been running on localhost 3000. So if I just open the port number, so the application looks something like this. We have a simple HTML form where the user can simply select a file and upload. And all the uploaded files will be residing in this folder. We have created a uploads folder. Currently this folder is empty. So as soon as I select a file here, you will see, let me choose a file. So as soon as I select the image here, click upload, you will get this response back from the REST API that the file is uploaded successfully, and it also gives the name of the file which has assigned. And you can see the file is successfully uploaded in the folder. And if I try this for the second time here, let's suppose I select this file. Again, the same process will repeat and you will see the file is successfully uploaded. So now to get started here, you need to install this module. So just go to your command line, simply create a Node.js project, npm I, and just write Restify. So this is a command here to install this. I've already installed it. So your package.json file will look something like this. You will have this Restify. So it will install the latest version, and now I will delete everything and start from scratch. Just create a basic index.js file, and I will just write the code from scratch. So right here you need to import all the necessary packages which are required. So first of all, we will be importing the Restify framework. We will require it, and then we also need the built-in packages such as the file system module and the path module as well. So after requiring it, now we will start a basic server of Restify. So this is very easy. We simply say Restify and it contains this function create server. So as soon as you can see, we imported this module at the top, and then we are creating a HTTP server. And right here, after that, we can simply pass this middleware server.use. But before that, let me start this HTTP server. For starting it, we have this listen function. So we simply say server.listen, and here you provide the port number and then inside the callback function. So this is very much similar to Express. So now the application will start. If you run this application node1, you will see app is running on port 5000. So I just need to bind a simple HTTP request right here. So we can simply create a HTTP request simply typing server.get, and right here we will say slash. This will be the home route, and here we will have the callback function, and inside this we will return a simple message, or in this case a simple file, HTTP file, sorry, a form where the user can actually see a form where they can upload files. So content type will be text slash HTML, and after that we will simply pass this HTML code right here, and here you can have a simple form. So this form will be this form right here. You can see form action, and we are making a simple post request to this route slash upload, encoding type multi-part form data, and after that we have this input type file. We have given this name attribute, name is equal to file, and then we have a simple button of upload. So That's all that is there. And if I try to open this application now, you will see this form will be showing. You will see localhost 5000 and this form is showing right here. So now as soon as I do this, if I try to upload a file, you will see it will get this error message that slash upload doesn't exist. You will get this error message. Now in order to fix this, we need to make this post request. For making this post request, we simply say server.post and slash upload, and then we simply say request response next. This is a simple HTTP request, and then we will get access to the file here. This is really important because we given this name attribute right here. If you see, name is equal to file, so we are simply accessing this name attribute right here. You can call this anything, but I'm just calling it file, so this needs to be the same. After we get access to the file, it's very easy to upload the file. So we use the path module of Node.js. We get the current directory, and there we provide the directory which will be uploading the file. So we get the file name by using file.name. So just create this directory. I already created this directory uploads, so let me just delete everything from here. You can call this anything, I'm calling it uploads. And then we'll use the file system module. It contains this write file sync function, and we'll save this file. So after that, we will send out a simple message to the user that your file is successfully uploaded. We simply give it a message property that is file uploaded successfully, and then the second property we can even return the file name as well, so file.name. So this completes your application. If I try to test this application now and just go to localhost 5000, you will actually see now. If I see localhost 5000, this is actually the form. If I try to upload a file and click upload, there is some kind of error is occurred. Let me see, request files, and this error, if you are getting this error message, I think we forgot to include the middleware. So just include this middleware, it's necessary, server.use and Restify. It contains this middleware, this plugins.body parser. So this is required while you are working with forms. So map file to be true. This line you need to write, add this middleware, this body parser middleware. Now we can easily access the file by the name attribute. So if you refresh again this application, now this application will perfectly work. Select upload, and now you can see file uploaded successfully, and you will get your file in the uploads directory. If I repeat this process here, and you will see the next file will get uploaded. So in this easy way, you can use this minimalistic Node.js framework for building web applications. It's a great alternative to Express. So I showed you the full file upload functionality. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains unlimited tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next stream.